Hello everyone, welcome to another shoe video, and it's Fluevog again. Yay! Fluevog! Your soul will direct your future. So these ones are the Guthries in a pink suede. We're doing pink again. Size 7, which is I guess a men's 7 US. And they're called the Guthries. So let's have a look at them, shall we? As usual, the lovely sturdy blue box with the image of John there, and we've got our paper which has shoes. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it clearly enough, but it's got shoes all over it, and all the paper's like that. And here's the thing, they shock you into speechlessness. These are awesome. These are one of my favourite pairs. They are comfortable, they are square-toed, and they are pink suede in a zebra print. I mean, could you get any tackier, but also absolutely gorgeous at the same time? Let me get them out for you. And here they are, out of the box. They're outrageous, aren't they? So we've got plain pink suede here at the toe, which is a lovely square toe box. So it's nice and wide. And then we have the zebra print. And then we have plain suede buckles. And then we have zebra print to the tongue and the upper. This is what they look like from the side. Again, zebra print, baby. Zebra print. Who would have thought it, other than Fluevog? We've got the buckle, which has Fluevog written on it. Get that out of the way. But it rotates. So, you get the Fluevog there with this rotating buckle. You have a buckle at the back, which is more decorative than anything else. And the soles have a pink strip on them, but they are a black sole. They are laced up, so they are, I have that crossover lacing that I like to use. And then the sole of them, let me flip them around. There we go. This big F for Fluevog, this sort of wobbly, wibbly, I don't know, shape. And it's on the sole as well, which gives them really good grip. And the Fluevog F shoes by Fluevog. So that's what these are. They're fully lined, as they all are. If this will focus on the Fluevog as I want to, not really. And the sizing is on the tongue. Made in Portugal again. I try to buy the ones that are made in Portugal. And now I'll put them on so you can see what they look like on. And I can tell you how they feel. Hold on a second. And here they are on. With my snag tights. But here they are. So I think if they'd had a half size, like a 6.5, I would have bought them instead. The 7s are just a fraction too big, because you can see where my big toe is there. Or is it there? There. So they could be a little bit snugger, but they don't have half size in this design, and I just had to have them. They were on sale. I had to buy them. I bought them in 2022. So I've had them for a few years now, and as you can tell, they last really well. There's the funky roller buckle, and that's how I wear them. There we go. I thought they looked really good with the white tights, just to show off the pink, I think, really. They're really comfortable to wear because they've got that square box toe. There's no pinching of the feet. The feet can sort of spread out, so they're a bit like a historical shoe in that they are really, really comfy. They've got a little bit of a heel, but not much of a heel. And the good grip, as I said, makes them a great shoe to wear. When I first started wearing them, I did have to wear them in a bit. I did get a blister, but I think that was on this foot, and it was because I hadn't tightened them up enough and they hadn't softened my foot. But now they feel really comfortable, and I'm going to try wearing them to work, and we'll see how we go. So there we are. There we have it. The Guthries. Dang cute, I think. What do you think? Be nice. But I love the quirkiness of them, and I love a square toe. Just really love a square toe. So there we have it. The leather's soft, and I love how it's zebra print. Pink suede zebra print, and they are pink. As you can see, they are, if I can get them in the bright light, they are pink as pink can be. So here we go. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. There we are. I'm getting old. And there we have it. Well, so, until I see you next time, take care of yourself, take care of your feet, and take care of your mental health. Bye everyone. Love you. Bye.